Hey friends, it's Mermaid Becca here, coming back with another unboxing and flip through. Hay House had a sale recently, and it was my birthday recently. So happy birthday to me and to all my other fellow Saggies out there. Sending you guys lots of birthday love this month. This was one that was on my list for a while, and so I was really excited to grab this for their half price sale. And yeah, it's kind of been a hot minute since I've done a video, so here we are. Life happens. We had lost our daughter recently, so I took a break from social media, and I'm just slowly kind of coming back to it a little bit here and there and taking time to heal. And I just thought this would be a really magical, beautiful deck. I love fairies. We have a garden here, and yeah, I just love things that are magical and cheery, and who doesn't need some cheering up right now sometimes during the holidays. So I'm sending y'all lots of love if you are going through a hard time yourself. I know the holidays are not always easy for everyone. So yeah, here we are. We've got a 78 card deck and guidebook fairy tarot cards by Radleigh Valentine, illustrations by Howard David Johnson. Again, this is Hay House. It is $29.99 US, $39.99 Canada. So this, I don't remember exactly what it was on Hay House, but if it was half off, it was at least $15, which is a really good price. Fair royalty helps you wear your invisible crown. Hopefully you can read this. The fairies are nature's angels who assist us all with earthly concerns, including increasing our self-confidence and belief in our ability to make a positive difference in this world. The 78 gorgeous cards in this deck are geared toward helping you wear your invisible crown and fulfill your life purpose. Radleigh Valentine cards calls fairy tarot cards the self-esteem deck because the words and images are imbued with this intention. Inside you'll meet fairy kings, queens, princes and princesses set against the backdrop of iconic Glastonbury, England. The wisdom of the fairies inscribed on each card and explained in the accompanying guidebook will help you put your life on the fast track of divine magic. Fairy tarot cards make a perfect companion to the best-selling angel tarot cards. In fact, you can mix the two decks for even more accurate and detailed readings. I don't have the angel deck, and I don't know why, but that one just doesn't call to me. I do love the colors of this one. Turquoise and purple and blue are kind of my colors. I do all things kind of mermaidy here. At Becca's by the Bay and Mermaid Bay Tarot. So we have this nice, hefty little guidebook here. And the fairies, which are just gorgeous. And I know I've seen this in some other videos where people are doing readings, and I do really love the cards. So I'm just going to go through the cards and then look at the book. I don't know if that's too much of a glare from my lights. Maybe I can hold them up a little bit. So we've got the Dreamer. I know some of the wording is a little bit different as we go throughout the deck. Look at that Emperor, I love it. He's got the world and the heart as a staff. Unity, the lovers. Look at the Chariot. Oh my gosh, it's so cute. Justice. Hermit. Oops. The wheel. Oh, that's beautiful. She's got the little lamb. So instead of the hangman, we have awakening. Maybe if I do this, it'll, there we go, not have the glare. Balance and ego. So that's supposed to be the tower. Life experience. And then I love this, how it has the spring, summer, autumn, and winter. I just think these are gorgeous. Very fantasy, fairy-like. Ace of Summer. So cute. Gorgeous. Oops. And we've got the winter cards. Father Winter. So cute. And we have autumn. Six. Oops, there's seven. These are a much bigger cards, kind of like the Good Tarot. And the cardstock is glossy, as you can tell. It is a quite chunky deck. So it's a little glossy. Since it is new, it's going to take a while probably to get broken into. And I did injure my hand recently, so I've had a harder time shuffling. But we're going to give it a go. Shuffle's pretty good. Probably would shuffle better if my finger wasn't injured. Oops, there's a card for us. So overhand shuffle's pretty good. Whoa, they're a little bit slippery. Here's a card that popped up. Got 3 of Spring. I do, the book is black and white, so it's not color photos, which it would have been nice to have the color photographs, because this is really kind of a, alright, that'll be my qualm about this, is that it's a really kind of blurred image. If they're gonna, they could have maybe done a little bit better job printing that. So anywho, we have 3 of Spring. You've accomplished so much, and now the hard work is paying off. While you wait for your rewards to be delivered, this is a good time to take a moment and ponder your next step. You'll need to adopt a long-term perspective. The knowledge you've gained since the beginning of your latest endeavor can be used to create even greater success in the future. It's important to have patience right now while your dreams come to blossom. They will flourish, but it will take a little more time. And then we have the fairy holds branches of the holly hawthorn of Glastonbury, which is overflowing with blooms from the divine tree planted by Joseph of Arimathea in the Ace of Spring. She awaits the butterfly boat that will soon come to shore from Avalon, bringing with it treasures manifested from her hard work. Additional meanings of this card: giving or receiving assurance of success, satisfaction with a good job well done, seeking out an exciting new adventure, business travel. So plan your next steps with an eye to the long term. Have patience. There are more good things to come. Satisfaction from a job well done. So that's a great card. Kind of like, even though this is the 3 of Spring, it kind of like fits in with like, it's December right now, and kind of reflecting back on all the things that you've worked hard on throughout the year, and, you know, knowing that you should have some satisfaction that you did a job well done, and everything that you've put into plan or has been in the process of things that you've been getting done is going to come to fruition next year, you know, in the springtime. So I think that's a really beautiful card to pull. So let's see. Let's take a peek through the guidebook here. You've got your contents, the suits, how to work with the fairy cards, and using them, clearing your deck, which I've already got some incense burning, and cleanse this deck and blessed it. Asking questions, shuffling, choosing. So they have 3 card spreads, the Celtic cross spread, which is a traditional spread, and then it goes into the meaning of the cards, and that's all the meanings. See if there's anything towards the end. We have something about the artist here, Howard David Johnson, about the author, and that's it, just all of the publishings. So what a beautiful deck. I'm really excited to work with this a little bit more, maybe get it broken in a little bit better. I do like the idea of being able to have the seasons with this deck, and I just love the fairies. I love everything magical about the fairies. I do see them in our garden, and it is so fun to even imagine that they're there and seeing them do their magic and making things grow. We've got a little fairy garden in our front yard as well, which is super fun. So yeah, I hope you like this video. let me know if you if this is one on your wish list, or if you have it, or what do you think of all of the Radleigh Valentines, because I know there's a whole lot of you know, people either like them or don't like them because of all the where they really came from. So anywho, there's very few decks that I have that are Radleigh Valentine and Dorian Virtue. So I think I just have I'm looking. I've got a mermaid deck. I have a mermaid deck, but I know this is not Radleigh Valentine, but this is my other fairy deck that I have. It is Oracle of the Fairies. So this one's not a tarot deck, but it is an Oracle deck by Karen K. And I don't know if I've done an unboxing of it or not. If I do, I'll put the link to it. And if I haven't, I'll probably do one. But I absolutely love this deck as well. And the backs are really beautiful. And the messages are very loving and gentle, and just the artwork is just really pretty, really. I just love it. And I think it would pair, if you're looking to pair this tarot deck with a deck, this would pair really nicely with it. So that's it for tonight, guys. I hope you have a blessed holiday season. Happy Yule, happy Christmas, happy holidays from me, Mermaid Becca at Mermaid Bay Tarot, and we will see you in the next video. Thanks.